So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to withdraw money from PayPal. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically, to withdraw money from PayPal, it's pretty simple. So as you can see here, I'm already in my PayPal application, and here you have your home, payment, and wallet. So here you can request or send bills in PayPal. So we're gonna focus on how to withdraw your money from PayPal. So basically you just go to wallet, and here you will be shown wallets here. So here you can add your bank and cards, or you have a preference here. So here just go to the plus button right there, and then you can add your bank account or your debit or credit where you want to transfer your funds from PayPal to another card, or perhaps you want to withdraw it. So basically, to withdraw money from PayPal, all you have to go again is go to your wallet. Then you'll have to see or check for the transfer money button. Unfortunately, I don't have it right here because I can't really transfer it right here because it's only a checking account. So click withdraw from PayPal to your bank account. If you're gonna see that, then select instant or the free one, or the standard, the free one, and then you follow the instructions. Then it will be transferred to your card or bank account in just a matter of minutes. So basically that's just how you transfer money or withdraw money from PayPal, and see you again next time.